New this evening, the eggs of a tiny parasitic worm have been found in parks across the 5 boroughs, and they could possibly be infectious. Well, News 12's Eli Morillo spoke with the professor on how the contamination process can affect you, your children, or your pets.
Yeah, that's right, Phil. So we're talking about Toxocara, which are tiny worms that live in animals' muscles or digestive systems. And this can even spread to others and infect humans through their cats or dog feces. Although the worms are not easily transmitted to humans, they can be if a person consumes infected dirt. This has recently alarmed researchers to grow concern that kids could eat the worms while playing in city parks. The CDC reports that nearly 14% of the U.S. population has been exposed to the parasite and estimates that nearly 70 people, most of them being children, have even become blinded by the infections. Higher concentrations of that parasite were mostly found in the Bronx, where 67% of the playgrounds contained the Toxocara eggs, and a total of 31% were found in Brooklyn.
We very much see an association with parasites and poverty, because it's the people living in poverty that don't have the proper sanitation, that don't have the proper control measures for wild dogs or stray dogs or cats. And these are the ones that get mostly exposed. So in our study, when we did back in NYC, it was the Bronx that had the highest parks contaminated with toxocariasis or Toxocara.
To avoid infections, Professor Mejia tells me that your pets should be dewormed and that when you're outside, you should stay vigilant about what you touch, and just remember to wash your hands before indulging in any other activities like eating. We're at Clayson Point Park. Eli Morillo, News 12.